In a move to make Fortnite a full-on gaming platform where creators can earn, Epic Games just handed creators their most powerful monetization tool yet. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to hub for all the latest tech updates. For the first time, Fortnite developers will be able to create and sell their own in-game items, earning real money from the V-Bucks players spend on them. It's a major shift from the previous model where creators were only paid based on how much time players spent on their custom islands. The tools to make this happen include item creation and Unreal Editor for Fortnite, and a new verse-based API are coming soon. But the best part is, creators will earn 100% of the V-Bucks value from sales on their islands from December 2025 through the end of 2026. After that, they'll still get a generous 50%, and the rest of the 50% will go to Epic to cover server, moderation, and R&D costs. Now, before you start counting your V-Bucks, here's what that really means in real-world cash. Thanks to platform fees, 50% of V-Bucks value translates to about 37% of actual retail spending. So if you do the math, 100% will get you around 74%. But Epic will give you an edge here. You can pay for a place in Sponsored Row to let the players discover you more. Plus, they'll add some tools like in-game forums and update feeds to keep the community updated. It's all part of Epic's long-term vision of turning Fortnite into a Roblox-style universe where players don't just play, but build, sell, and profit. Of course, that comes with risks, but Epic seems more than ready to bet on its creative community. So to all the creators out there, gear up because Fortnite can become your new business model soon. Do you have any product already? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.